London's Excel, it's Food, Drink and Hospitality Week. The International Food and Drink event, Hotel, Restaurant and Catering Show, Pub Show, IFE Manufacturing event and the International Salon Culinary Competition make up the food, drink and hospitality industry's biggest celebration of innovation.
It's been really busy. We've gone through more food samples than we've done at any previous show. And we're really pushing Mrs. Southwood as the UK's #1 pickle, and being able to add additional graphics and be able to do a lot of sampling for it.
It's been a good show. We've met lots of existing customers, a number of new customers and new leads. There's been a lot of interest, a lot of people very excited about it. We've got a lot of work to do in following up leads and passing them on to our distributors. So a lot of work ahead of us, but that's all what we wanted to get from this show.
The pub show element which we're sited in has been so bustling. We've met lots of people, so a lot of people that you don't realise potentially are going to be potential clients. So it's just been a really good, worthwhile 3 days.
It's really good. We've had some good conversations. Hopefully it will pay off. We will have to see. Time will tell.
The very first day on Monday was a very positive day for us. I had a meet the buyer event with Tesco, which is like a big company, as you know. But then afterwards we met lovely independent business as well.
It's important to be here for many reasons. Brand awareness, meeting existing clients, meeting obviously new clients, name of the game, showcasing new technology, but equally to have the right image. You can just be here, but you haven't got the right image, it's really not doing your brand much good. We don't sell direct, so we've got a wonderful network of resellers or partners across the whole of the UK and global in some respect. So somebody's representing every area and supported our clients in every area.
Drink and Hospitality Week is one of the most vibrant weeks I see here at Excel London. The co-located shows are some of the best attended on the exhibition calendar. And every year I see the new products and technology that drives the industry forward. I particularly enjoyed meeting some of the smaller artisan producers, making their mark here and seeing once again that there is no substitution for in-person sales and marketing.